What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keys, and I'm back with another video. And man, it's been a minute, but I had to take some time off and lock in. It be like that sometimes, but as y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing something that I wanted to do to this car for a minute, and that's wake it up, basically, make it louder, you know. So that's what I'm on my way to do now. I'm kind of in a rush because I just got off work, for real. So I'm on my way there right now. But yeah, watch the whole video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you tune in, because I'm back, and I'm back for good now. YouTube, this motherfucker sound crazy. Hold on, I'm about to get a good pull for y'all boys. This shit sound crazy as fuck, y'all. Look, I'm about to get a good pull for y'all boys. As soon as this light turn green. Y'all ready? I hope the wind ain't messing it up. If it is, I'm sorry. But y'all gotta hear this. This shit really gonna make it fun to drive now, cause I ain't gonna lie, having a quiet car kinda suck. I ain't gonna lie to you. But when your shit like actually sound fun to drive, then that bring that excitement. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. Yes, I am. And I hope y'all enjoying the content too. I wanted to come back on some gear type shit. That's why I waited till now. But I'm back. I'm back, baby. Oh man. Catch me tearing the streets up, nigga. You can catch me tearing this shit up. That shit sound nice. Come hop in the car, yo.
Hop in the car?
Yeah, hop in the car. Huh. Hold this. I'm about to get your reaction. I got something to show you. My boy. You hear that?
Seatbelt, so everything you said. Yes, sir. Okay. I already know what's going on.
Yeah. Yeah. You hear them burbles?
Boom.
Yeah.
You flying with this one. You flying with this one, right? You flying.
I had to get my little brother in the car, yo. Had to let you in. And I only got it in comfort. Let me put it in sport real quick.
This is crazy. Nah, that's crazy.
Turn it around. Put it right there real quick.
Right here?
Put it right here. Show this right here.
My bad.
Look, yo, it's in sport. Sport plus now. Put it back on us. Ready?
Yeah. Yo, nah.
This shit crazy as fuck now. This shit crazy as fuck now. Hey, yo, this shit crazy as fuck. ain't it, Bug? Am I lying, Bug?
Nah,
Let these niggas know. This shit crazy now.
Oh, bro, that's just sexy, bro.
Yo, this shit does sound sexy. Put this bit together.
Oh, bro. We go to the BMW shop?
Huh?
Went to the BMW shop?
Nah, I just got from the muffler shop.
Oh,
Steve in there?
Nah, Steve not even in there, bro.
Hey, man.
He be home soon.
You too. Had to.
Nah, that's...
Let me rev it up real quick. Listen to the verbal. Yo, this been too official. My shit too official, y'all. Like, stop playing, yo. Y'all, stop playing. This shit too official, YouTube. Like, I'm trying to tell niggas. Yeah. What you get at it? 1 out of 10. What you give it?
I ain't gonna lie, this is good. This is a good 10.
Yeah, that bitch a good 10. That bitch violent.
That's a good 10.
You too. Let me show y'all what I did to it now. Look. Boom. Got the carbon fiber set up. The dual tip. That's why it took so long, because I had to order them and I had to order this diffuser. That's why it took so long for me to get this done. But I'm running quad tips now, as y'all can see, with the carbon fiber diffuser. So yeah, my shit valid, y'all. But yeah, y'all heard that motherfucker. That shit riding now. But I'm finna go back in here, and get cleaned up real quick, because I did just get off work. But I'm gonna hop back on the YouTube and give y'all like a POV type drive. So yeah, just continue watching the video. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, because yeah, I'm back and I'm here for good now. So yeah. All right, YouTube, it's time to get back busy. Get active in the streets, you feel me? I plan, but I already know what time it is. Hold on, let me let y'all hear that start up. Even though it's not a cold start, it's already warm. That's still something though. That's still a little something though. They get louder. Alright. Y'all bear with me on this POV, because I'm holding the phone and driving at the same time. But I'm doing this for y'all, man. Oh, y'all hear them burbles? I'm telling y'all, my shit got burbles. Cool POV for y'all. It's a nice day outside too. It ain't too hot, it ain't too cold. It's just right. Perfect time to have the cars out. Come on, yeah. I hope y'all hear them burbles. Like, I really hope y'all hear them burbles. I don't even know if the phone doing it justice. I'm sorry if y'all get any wind noise. But yeah though, man, I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much. Like, this shit is really exciting to drive now. Niggas probably like, why this nigga holding his phone and driving at the same time? I don't even know. Whole time I'm working. And it's pretty loud on this highway, so I mean, well, I don't know what the hell you would call this, but I'm about to get off right up here. And I like that it don't drone. Like, I don't like when that shit sound like a fucking big fucking 18-wheeler truck. But my shit don't drone that loud, so I like that. Oh my gosh, them burbles was crazy. They not loud, like ridiculously loud, but they definitely there. Like, you can hear them. I don't know if the iPhone doing it justice, but they definitely there. Woo. Shit, 2.5, I'm telling y'all. 2.5. She got music playing too, so. My shit too fire, yo. And I know it's not like it's not even at its full potential yet. That's the thing, and it sound nice as fuck. Like, BMW really fire. I'm taking that. But I'm gonna go up here and turn around. Nigga was speaking Jamaican and shit. Nigga said walk 1-1. This is a crazy hill. I made it though. But all right, YouTube, that's gonna end the video off right there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on for more, because more is coming. Expect more, be on the lookout for more, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to call it. Just know more is coming. But yeah, I love y'all. I'm out.